Get excited about the 2017 Ford F-250. With just over 15,000 miles on the odometer, you can be confident that this pre-owned vehicle will provide you reliable transportation. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a trailer hitch, and air conditioning. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.